From WBAY TV, coverage you can count on. Action 2 News at 10 starts now.
Good evening. Thanks for joining us. This is not a new issue for Kewaunee County residents, but the most recent rainfall is leaving one Kewaunee County family with some tainted water.
Not only is it not drinkable, but as you can see behind us, you wouldn't want to wash your dishes or shower in that water. Brittany Schmidt shows us what the family is dealing with and what officials are trying to do about it.
I wouldn't trade it. I mean, I'm not a city person.
Rob and Erica Balza call this place home, located about a mile outside of Luxembourg.
I've lived here for the last 4 years. My husband's lived here for the last 23.
So they say it's not unusual to run into water quality issues once in a while. In fact, they always have bottled water on hand. Erica and Rob's refrigerator is about 5 or 6 years old, but if you look at the water and ice tray, it's in pristine condition because they've never actually used it because of what they know is in the water.
In spring and fall, sometimes the water would get a little brown tinge to it. It wouldn't smell. It was more like a sandy color.
Normally we change water filters in the basement and then just let the water run through.
But this time, they say there's just no letting the water run through.
Very disgusting.
Just not a good situation.
When Erica and Rob went to brush their teeth Wednesday night before bed, they noticed their water was brown.
And so we ran it and it continued to be brown and started to smell. And then flushed the toilet and it was completely brown. My husband ran the shower to warm up the water and it completely smelled like manure.
The Balza's well has been contaminated. The DNR land conservationists collected samples and sent them in for virus, bacteria, and E. coli testing.
Once those results are given to us, then we can start working with the homeowner to identify how to fix it.
They are also looking into recent manure applications at nearby farms. The chair of the Kewaunee County Groundwater Task Force saw the video.
Oh my heavens.
And says unfortunately this has happened before, but it is being addressed.
You have to trust that we are well aware of these issues and we're working on them. We are working with the EPA. We're working with the DNR. Our county office is working very hard on these issues.
For now, the Balzas have to refrain from using their tap water.
Can't do laundry, can't do dishes, can't shower.
But they are hoping for some answers sooner rather than later.
Part of living in the country, and it's not like they're dumping it straight into my well, but it's obviously getting there.
In Luxembourg, Brittany Schmidt, Action 2 News.